If you've been scrolling through Amazon trying to find the best underglow kit for your car, you already know it's a mess out there. Some are crazy expensive, some look bright in the photos but show up super dim in real life, and honestly, a lot of them just break after the first rainstorm. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best underglow lights you can get right now, from budget-friendly picks all the way up to a full-on pro-level system. And yeah, I'll tell you which one actually deserves your money. Links are down in the description. Let's just get into it. All right, first up is the OPT7 Aura Underglow lights. And right away, this one feels different from a typical underglow strip. It's not flexible. It's rigid aluminum housing, like actual metal casing around the LEDs instead of just a rubber tube. Honestly, my first thought was, is that overkill? But then I remembered the number one complaint with underglow lights is strips falling off or sagging after a few months. So this kind of solves that problem before it even starts. Mounting it took a little more time than I expected, just because you're working with rigid bars instead of something you can bend around curves. There's a bit of a learning curve, figuring out the angles, especially around the wheel wells. But once it's up, it's up. It's not going anywhere. The remote gives you 12 colors, 10 brightness and speed settings, 24 modes, strobe, fade, cycle, all that. No app needed, which honestly some people are going to prefer. Less stuff to fuss with. It's IP67 waterproof too, and backed by a 1-year warranty. Link for this one's in the description too if you want to check current pricing, since it does swing a bit depending on the deals running that week. Pros: aluminum build feels genuinely durable. Waterproof rating held up fine. Remote control is simple and responsive. 1-year warranty backs it up. Cons: no app, some may want that. Rigid design means trickier install. Number 2, Nilight 4 PCs, car underglow, neon accent, strip lights. This is the Nilight and it's a completely different vibe. Flexible strip, 256 LEDs, and it's using RGBIC chips, which basically means the colors can chase and blend across the strip instead of just glowing one solid color. And yeah, when I turned this on, that was actually the first whoa moment of the video. The chasing effect looks legit. It's not just flashing between colors, it flows. Like, it actually looks like it's moving along the strip, which is way more interesting to look at than just a solid color sitting there. You get both app and remote control here, which is nice because you're not locked into one method. The app's got 5 modes: DIY color, music, rhythm, and a couple others. Colors go up to 16 million, which, I mean, at some point that number stops mattering, but it does look good in person. It's IP67 waterproof, and Nilight backs it with a 2-year warranty, which is honestly longer than most of the other brands here. Pros: RGBIC chasing effect looks premium. App and remote both included. 2-year warranty, longer than most. Bright, even light output. Cons: flexible strip needs careful mounting. App can lag connecting sometimes. Number 3, Govee car underglow lights. Okay, this Govee kit is built different. Literally, it's an 8-piece kit instead of the usual 4. So if you've got a bigger vehicle, a truck, or a full-size SUV, this actually makes sense in a way the smaller kits don't. Setting it up took longer just because there's more strips to route and connect. But once it's running, the Govee Home app is honestly one of the smoother apps I've used for this kind of thing. 45 scene modes, 3 music modes, 16 million colors, and there's this feature where you can pull a color straight from a photo on your phone and it applies it to the lights. Kind of a fun little extra, not essential but cool. The light coverage under a bigger vehicle is noticeably better than the 4-piece kits just because, well, there's more of it. I ran it around a truck bed and honestly it wraps the whole thing pretty evenly, no dark gaps or anything. Pros: 8 pieces cover larger vehicles well, app is smooth and intuitive. Photo color match feature is fun, solid waterproof sleeve protection. Cons: longer install with more strips. Slight overkill for smaller cars. Number 4, Xprite car underglow neon accent strip lights. So this is the Xprite kit, and it's more of a straightforward, no-frills setup. 252 LEDs, wireless remote control, no app pairing needed at all. Honestly, for someone who just wants to turn it on and pick a color without messing with Bluetooth, this is refreshing. 8 preset colors, a couple of jump and fade patterns, 4 sound reactive modes that actually respond pretty well to music or bass. Installation was quick, probably the fastest of the 5 kits, honestly. Quick connect plugs, adhesive already applied to the strip, so you're not fumbling with double-sided tape in the dark under your car. It's rated IP68 waterproof, and the rubber tubing feels solid, held up fine when I sprayed it down with a hose. It's not flashy on paper, but it does what it says without any extra steps, and honestly, sometimes that's exactly what people want. Pros: no app needed, simple remote. Sound reactive modes work well. Fast, mess-free installation, feels durable against road debris. Cons: fewer color options than RGBIC kits, no chasing or gradient effects. Number 5, the MicTuning N3 Car Underglow Light. And this one actually surprised me a bit. It's using RGB plus IC chips too, so you get that same chasing, flowing color effect, like the Nilight. Pulsing, shifting, gradients, the whole thing. 160,000 colors, 76 modes, plus 8 DIY modes if you want to build your own pattern. What stood out to me though is the app. If you already run other MicTuning gear, like their rock lights or switch panels, this all connects through one single app. Which, if you're the kind of person who's going to keep adding lighting to your vehicle over time, that's actually a bigger deal than it sounds. You're not stuck managing 4 different apps just to control your whole setup. It's IP68 waterproof, which is even a step up from the IP67 rating some of the others have. And it comes with a 2-year warranty plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's a safety net if something's off. Install was pretty painless, decent cord length, adhesive backing, clamps and zip ties included, so you're not left improvising, digging through your toolbox trying to find something that works. Pros: RGBB plus IC chasing effect looks great. One app controls all MicTuning gear, IP68 waterproof rating, very solid. 2-year warranty plus refund window. Cons: app has a slight learning curve. Strips are pricier than basic kits. The OPT7 wins on pure durability because it's aluminum. Nothing else here comes close on that front. The Nilight and the MicTuning both do that flowing RGBI effect really well, and honestly, they looked almost identical side by side, so that one kind of comes down to whether you want the MicTuning ecosystem or not. The Govee is really in its own category just because of the 8-piece size it's built for bigger vehicles. And the Xprite, it's the simplest of the bunch, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. It just depends what you're after. Hopefully, this helped you figure out which one actually fits what you're looking for. All 5 are linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.